Hello, hello. This is a special interview episode for the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap. I am, of course, Rajyasree Sen, but we are speaking to three of the main characters from Black Warrant. So, in order of seniority, we can do this. We have Rahul Bhatt, who plays. Do you play DCP? What is the exact DSP Tomar? Then we have, and the other two are contemporaries. So there's Zahan, who plays Sunil Gupta, who worked at Tihar for 35 years. And there's Anurag Thakur, who plays Dhaya, who is one of...
Who's this awesome?
Who is just awesome, of course, and very modest, which is always a good thing, I feel. And
he doesn't smoke, he doesn't drink, he doesn't do anything, he doesn't lie.
Very good boy.
He's the best.
He's the best, absolutely.
हम दोनों उसके वो है, right? हम बोलते रहते हैं ये क्या नहीं करता है.
And there was, of course, Paramveer Cheema, right? Who plays Mangat, who was excellent as well. So just for people who have not, if you have not watched the series, I would say please watch it, because it is honestly one of the finest series I think that Netflix has produced in a long time. So good for Netflix, but it also is on the same, I would say, the level as a Shawshank Redemption or Orange is the New Black, in the way it shows prisons. Wow. I felt that, the reality of, because otherwise we had, which by the way is one of my favorite films though, Ek Hasina Thi and all, which is not, like, sadly, that's not the way prisons operate all the time, or people look. So I have read the book when it came out, and I just loved the book purely because of the kind of people that Sunetra was also given access to, and their stories and what happened. So you got a mix of these very hardened criminals, some of them, some people who you aren't really sure why they are still in prison, and also prison life and what Tihar is like, being in Tihar is like. Right. So I'm just going to go to each of you. One is to ask, had you read the book before you said yes to the role? So I don't know, whoever wants to go first.
So I read the book as soon as I found out about the audition. That was the first thing I did to kind of prepare myself, equip myself rather, with some kind of deeper knowledge, because I really didn't know much about it. But thankfully, I knew the title of the book was Black Warrant, and and that was the first stepping point. So yeah, it's such a lovely, it's such a thrilling thing to have rich source material when you're going to even just do a blind audition.
Exactly.
It really does help you, and this was again such a unique kind of source material.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And Rahul, had you read the book or heard of it before?
Yeah, I had heard about because this term jail kind of, it evokes a certain kind of an what we call some sort of a mystery and something that, so you remind this word. So I remember that I had heard about Black Warrant. And maybe I had seen some interview of Sunil Gupta or Sunetra, and something it was in back of my mind, because there was also a lot talk about it, that
when it came out.
Some people are going to, there are a lot of people who want to take the rights of this book and all that. It was quite kind of that time. I think the book was quite popular. And I had not read the book, but yes, I had heard about it.
And Anurag?
Ma'am, I heard about the book when there was a video by Triple C company, the collaboration Applause and Andolan. So I saw a video, वहाँ पे मुझे book का पता चला था, and I read it after I got blocked.
But you read the book after, because sometimes I don't know what your process is as actors, that sometimes some actors say that when you read the book that something is based on, you feel like it colors your way of approaching. Not really, right?
Depends, ma'am. You need to know the world now, because mine is a fictional character, so मुझे नहीं पढ़ने की जरूरत. मतलब नहीं पढ़ना चाहो तो मत पढ़ो, but to understand the world, the atmosphere, you have
Yeah.
to. Like,
Although the show, I would say, is very different, at least this first season is very different from the book, right? From in the sense that the book is very clearly chapter by chapter, you're going into each of these people's experiences.
yes.
And the first season is about the first 4 years of Sunil Gupta's time in at Tihar, right? And the second, I'm assuming second and third season will go more into the various characters that are there.
This is a better answered by Vikram sir and Satyansh.
Yeah.
It was their decision to try and go this route of slowing that book down. It's a 200-pager that documents 35 years.
Yeah.
Season 1, collectively, our script must be, I don't know, 300 and something pages, more. Will be like, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, at least 350, 60 pages. So the imaginative leap to understand the deeper humanity and kind of fictionalized characters and things is the approach. And I think the fact that the source material is the foundation or stone or the pillars, and then the walls are being built upon by the writers. I think it's a great combination of having all of the things in your arsenal. So, I mean, that was my take at it. It just kind of gives you, it is the more, I mean, I went to the extent of finding more source material, more interviews, more documentation and journalism about Tihar, about prisoners, about jailers, about any kind of avenue, really. So that's just, it depends, it's such a subjective thing.
Yeah. So I just wanted, because you all have spoken a lot, I've seen quite a few of the interviews that all of you have given, but I just wanted to get into a little bit about what is each of your acting background, as in, maybe Anurag, you can start. I've been told we have 5 minutes, even though we started 15 minutes late, but sure. But you can just, if you give me an idea, tell our viewers, what is your acting background? Where do you come from into this acting world?
I'll keep it very short. So I'm from Purnia, Bihar. I went to theatre and I started in 2011 with Asmita Theatre Group. Then I went to theatre and Renaissance under Bharti Sharma and Mohit Tripathi sir.
Oh.
So I've been doing theatre for the past 13, 14 years now. Luckily, I have people like Zahan who let me perform in the Prithvi Festival this year. And they've been really kind to us. So our own group bhi hai, Bayar Theatre Group now. It was So we perform in different festivals all across India, national festivals and jo bhi hai, wo kar rahe hain.
But theatre is your main background, right?
It is for me, ma'am. मुझे पता नहीं, और मुझे आगे पीछे नहीं पता चलता है. This is great, but theatre is what I really want to do and I enjoy doing. ये भी बहुत
Okay. Rahul, I watched Ugly, and it was just, I remember you from there so clearly also. But your background is cinema and TV, or it's been theatre as well?
So I did my schooling in Kashmir. और वहाँ पे I was the अंधों में काना राजा. तो हम इस तरीके का थिएटर करते थे. स्कूल में खुद ही डायरेक्ट करता था, खुद ही बनाता था, और आधा उसमें अमिताभ बच्चन होता था, आधा उसमें दिलीप कुमार होता था. तो उस एटमॉस्फेयर में हम आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाते हैं. ये सारे डायलॉग्स और ये गोंजाल्विस दुनिया में दो तरह के कीड़े होते हैं. तो ये सारी चीजों में मैं पला बढ़ा और यही मेरी स्कूलिंग रही. फिर जब मैं इस माया नगरी, इस बंबई में आया, जहां पता चलता है फिर ये शहर आपको आपकी औकात बहुत जल्दी समझा देता है. there's something very interesting about this city. और बहुत जल्दी आपको, और कई एक्टर्स को ये रिटायर कर चुका होता है, उनको 2 साल बाद पता चल जाता है कि हम तो लोग हैं. There is very interestingly strange thing about this city called Mumbai. And this city also is like a mother, teaches you all over again. City is also a teacher. This city is, I owe everything to this Mumbai, because this is the place where you learn. This is the place where you grow. I owe everything to this city. तो यही है अपने टीचर, ये शहर जिसका नाम है
It's
मुंबई.
been a great teacher for you,
Yes,
going by
I
the
must say,
roles that you've done.
I'm indebted to this city, totally. To the Marathas, to the Marathis, and to this incredible place called Mumbai. I want to thank them all because you see, I'm a Kashmiri Pandit.
Yeah.
हम लोग माइग्रेंट हो गए थे. हम जब माइग्रेशन चले गए, माइग्रेशन होके जम्मू चले गए. अगर वो जम्मू के डोगरों ने हमें नहीं जगह दी होती थी, प्यार नहीं दिया होता, तो हम कहाँ चले
Where
जाते.
would you have gone?
और मुझे लगता है ये मुंबई, ये मराठीज यहाँ के जो मुंबई का जो ये इनके दिल बहुत बड़े हैं. यहाँ हर तरफ से लोग हम आते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ से इधर आते हैं, माइग्रेट होके यहीं आ जाते हैं, फिर अपना करियर बनाते हैं, फिर यहाँ की हवा खाते हैं, यहाँ का पानी पीते हैं, और यहाँ के लोग इतने अच्छे हैं, वो आपको दिल में जगा देते हैं.
That is there. That even when I came as a Bengali in college,
It's
you
amazing.
don't feel any
You don't feel.
discrimination
You don't
that you're an
feel.
outsider
अरे वो बोल
or
सकते हैं यार, क्या
anything.
कर रहे हो यहाँ पे, निकलो हमारी जगह से, क्या तुम लोग नहीं. दिस इज अमेजिंग. और ये सिखाते भी हैं, सिखाते हैं. वो आप एक्टर बनना चाहते हो तो एक्टिंग सिखाते हैं, आप डायरेक्टर बनना चाहते हो तो डायरेक्शन सिखाते हैं. ये कितने अच्छे. सो आई बीन जस्ट ग्रेटफुल लाइक ऑल ऑफ अस, you know.
Great.
The city has been the teacher.
Yep.
And Zahan, I have to say, when I was in college, I was in Sophia. So our break used to be to go all the way to Prithvi.
Oh, really?
And
I was
have an
Solomon.
Irish.
I was
Yeah,
Solomon.
Irish.
पृथ्वी तो हर कोई, मतलब पृथ्वी तो
Irish
मजा है.
coffee. See
What a trek. What a
No,
trek.
it was a real trek, yeah. And
Yeah.
see which stars we could see. And Nasiruddin is walking in and all, and then watch a play and feel so
lovely.
happy that we were part of Bombay at that time. But
How
your
lovely.
background is basically theatre, right? Primarily.
Yeah, so I wanted, my first interest actually was in filmmaking.
Okay.
I wanted to be I think I always had a creative urge in a large kind of way, and I discovered and was taught about filmmaking, and I found that extremely exciting, and I started working in production.
Okay.
Soon after that, though, this is again a good 12 years ago, but I did a workshop where I was assisting the director. Sunil Shanbag was the director, and he was doing an acting workshop, and it was just another facet. It was my aunt actually who recommended and said, you should, assess. He's very good. And if you're even vaguely interested, but it's just great to understand. He's a great director. So, and Neeraj Kabi was also doing another workshop at the time. So both of them I assisted, and they both allowed me to participate in the exercises, the theater games and things.
Yeah.
And that was the biting of the bug, as it were, of the desire to want to pursue performance. And I, as the person I am, I like deeply understanding things and immersing myself in things and taking the time to feel confident about it. I'm very reluctant otherwise. So that kind of began my journey of trying to learn as much as I could about performance. And yes, and I had the ability to kind of access a lot of interesting people through theater. And I started acting properly in 2019 with a play, and then I did my first film. Then I did another play. I did another web series, and then I did another play, and then Black Warrant happened.
Okay.
So it's been so this is technically my fifth outing as an actor.
Okay.
There's a short film in between also.
Yeah.
Anyway, but yeah.
So I did want to ask, there are two questions only before the Netflix team explodes, their brains explode.
Very good. मैं उनके बारे में कुछ नहीं सुनूंगा, please.
Sorry. Correct. You right thing. Next show also is yours. 2 more seasons, yeah. You better say the right things. Okay. No, I did want to ask this, and I want each of you keep it short. It's on y'all now. If y'all are giving me long answers, okay. That Anurag, you tell me first that. How easy has it been to reach this point where you have this big Netflix show, Black Warrant? Because there's all this talk always about how difficult it is to break in, right? Of getting your chance in Bollywood and entertainment. So how difficult has that journey been? Do you think it's been difficult?
Easy or difficult? What should I answer? You tell me.
You tell me how difficult it's been. Has it been difficult?
It's not about easy or difficult. And again, I'll keep it very short. Zahan bhai छोटे आंसर्स देंगे.
छोटे.
I think अगर आपके आसपास बहुत अच्छे सपोर्टिव लोग हैं, अच्छे पेरेंट्स हैं, अच्छे दोस्त हैं, अच्छे को एक्टर्स हैं, कमाल के डायरेक्टर्स हैं, तो बहुत आसान है. थोड़ा पेशेंस आपको डेवलप करना पड़ेगा, मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, तो फिर अलग. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट डिफिकल्ट, आई डोंट, जो बहुत लोग स्ट्रगल कहते हैं, मुझे वो वर्ड समझ नहीं आता. अगर मैं रियाज कर रहा हूँ, अगर मैं थिएटर में प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ और 1 महीने प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ, उसको बहुत लोग बहुत स्ट्रगल किया मैंने. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स स्ट्रगल, इट्स पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोसेस. एक तरह से मैं एक कर रहा हूँ और आज यहाँ, that's how I've come here.
And what a break. Zahan,
okay, again, the short answer is I think it's subjective, and it is difficult for everyone in some way or the other. You may find yourself getting an opportunity and a break within year 1 of you deciding, or you may find it at year 10. I mean, it can, and I don't know which person has it better or worse. I decided I wanted to act 12 years ago. My film released, I signed my first film in 2019. My film released in 2023. So and I'm now in 2025. I've got a film a series that has been really well received. I still think that's lucky. But it has been difficult. So it's a bit of both. And everyone has different challenges. Everyone has different advantages. And a lot of people maybe never get to see this. And I'm very acutely aware of that. We are very blessed. Of course, we all have worked hard, but we are blessed. And that there's no two ways about it, according to me.
Rahul, you have seen the film industry and this entertainment industry for longer than Anurag and Zahan have seen. Do you feel that it is tougher now for people to get that toehold in if they are, say, even from, I get that Zahan is from the Kapoor family, but he has a theatre background. To say that, from theatre, can he act in a TV series and all, that also takes a leap of faith. Do you think that it's become more difficult, or it's become a little easier because of different avenues?
I think now, when I came into this industry, then that time there was a Doordarshan and there was a Zee TV. And there were like 6-7 producers who were, who were regularly making content. And so the competition was like, और वही ट्रेनें भर के एक्टर आते थे, आज भी आते हैं. But I feel today, if you are a decent actor, decent, I'm not even saying you are like, oh my God, you're an actor, what actor. I'm saying if you are a decent actor, you will find a job. Today, if you are a decent actor, there are too many opportunities. But still, we have to kind of, I think there's a long way to go from here. But people are realizing that there is something called acting. There's something called a craft. वो जमाने गए अब, वो जो आदमी सिर्फ मैं तो ब्रेक डांसर हूं तो मुझे अभी कल से एक्टिंग मुझे दे जॉब, या मैं तो मतलब वो जमाने मुझे लगता है गए. अब ये वो जो बीच में चला था कि ये सोशल मीडिया के छिछोरे जितने हैं को एक्टर बनना है और सबको यहाँ अब मुझे लगता है कि वो भी जमाने धीरे से जा रहे हैं, because people are realizing worth of an actor. And when you have platforms like Netflix, they are not going to compromise on their quality or on their content. They want best. They want to hire best actors. They want to show the best content. At the same time, when you ask me about Zahan, it's not, you see, यार हर किसी का, चाहे वो डॉक्टर का बेटा डॉक्टर बन सकता है, बिजनेसमैन का बेटा बिजनेसमैन बन सकता है, उसको नहीं बोलते यार ये क्यों दुकान पे जा रहा है आज, ये तो कल
हाँ.
का दुकानदार था, अब ये भी बनेगा दुकानदार। कोई इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट का बेटा इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट, बजाज के बेटे बजाज, अंबानी का बेटा अंबानी। बट आई एम सेइंग, तो कपूर ने क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अगर
No,
वो
no, so this
अगर
is
वो
an
अगर
argument
अगर वो
which I
अगर
don't also buy into. That you know that because you're an actor, you can't, your son can't be an.
और कोई कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कल को हमारे बच्चे एक्टर बनेंगे, कल को किसी और के बनेंगे, सबका हक है। बट ये वो जगह है जहां अगर आपके अंदर अगर वो
Talent.
टैलेंट नहीं है, तो चाहे
Yeah.
कपूर हो या बच्चन हो या कोई हो या कुमार हो,
Yeah.
अब भट्ट हो,
Hmm.
महेश भट्ट भी तो है,
Yeah.
भट्ट खानदान भी है भाई यहाँ कुछ। बट
Yeah.
आई एम सेइंग उसका उसका वैल्यू कुछ नहीं है अगर आप वो नहीं, ये आपको उठा के फेंकते हैं बाहर। ये जो
Yeah.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है, ये बहुत ही, इसमें एक एक सेल्फ कुछ एक क्लीनिंग सिस्टम है कि कुछ रह जाते हैं और वो रेजिड्यू बाहर। इट्स अ सेल्फ क्लीनिंग काइंड ऑफ क्लेंजिंग काइंड ऑफ अ प्लेस, जहां आपको पता चल जाता है 2 साल के बाद कि आप रिटायर हो चुके हो, मगर आप रिटायर कर दिया गया है भाई साहब। Industry retired you 3-4 years earlier, but you come to know
You're
later.
still in that
Yeah.
thing. So I have one last question because now your wonderful Netflix is saying wrap it up. So I just have to ask this that
Yeah, the best.
the media is portrayed in Black Warrant as even when Tihar goes under lockdown or when during the Ranga Billa case and all, when they show Prabha Dutt, basically Pratibha and the character coming to interview. Is there a view you have of how the media reports on anything which seems a little sensationalist? Is there, or do you want to play it very correct and not say anything about the media? Because
I think blanket statements are dangerous.
correct. This is true. Anurag?
I'll pass. I'll pass. Kumar Sahab.
क्या सवाल क्या था? सॉरी, आई जस्ट
that the way the media is shown, you know, the media's role in Black Warrant also, when during the Ranga Billa case, or even when Tihar is going under lockdown, or this whole thing about Charles Sobraj, how it became such a big thing, then it dies down. Do you have a view on how the media has been shown, or the media's role in bringing light to any of these? What happens in Tihar is of national importance, I think, because it is the largest prison in Asia at the end of the day. Do you think the media tends to be fair about it or not?
I don't know. I'm an actor यार, मेरा काम है मैं एक्टिंग करूं, अपने ठीक से वही काम करूं जो आता है। वो अगर मैंने ठीक से किया तो मैं गंगा नहा लूंगा, मैं बोलूंगा थैंक यू भाई, मैं अच्छा वही नहीं आता ठीक से।
I'll tell you what,
बाद में हम
I'm happy to talk to you, and I hope people, whoever talks, I mean, has the openness and the curiosity. And I would like to see that in any individual,
Yeah.
irrespective of the professional hat.
The industry, yeah, that they are in. But anyway, I just want to say congratulations. It's a fabulous series, and what a series to be part of. And each of you has essayed the characters so well. Even Charles Sobraj's character, and I thought Paramveer was excellent how he portrayed what he was going through as a Sardar with what was happening in his family. So hats off to all of you, and we're really looking forward to season 2, which is a great thing always.
Thank you for your wishes, and thank you for being so kind.
And thank you for essaying the roles well. It could have been horrible, but it wasn't. It was lovely. Thank you. Thanks.
Journalism at News Laundry is powered by the public, because when the public pays, the public is served. Visit newslaundry.com/subscription and pick a payment plan of your choice. Pay to keep news free and independent. Your future, and indeed the future of democracy, depends on it.